Let's set up AnyTrack with WooCommerce and Facebook. Start by opening the AnyTrack sign-up page. Enter the WooCommerce shop URL you want to connect to AnyTrack. Click Next so AnyTrack can scan your site and detect WooCommerce or another platform. AnyTrack found WooCommerce. Click Continue with WooCommerce to confirm the integration. Click Install now to open your WordPress plugin installer for the AnyTrack WooCommerce plugin. In WordPress, install the AnyTrack for WooCommerce plugin from the Add Plugins page. Activate the AnyTrack for WooCommerce plugin. Go back to AnyTrack and click Connect AnyTrack. Back in WordPress, open the AnyTrack plugin settings. Click Save Changes to apply the plugin settings. The plugin is now set up. Return to AnyTrack and click Continue to connect your ad networks. Click Connect to start linking Facebook. AnyTrack will read campaign data, and Conversion API stays off until you enable it. In Facebook Login for Business, click Continue or sign in to your Facebook account. Select your Business Manager, Ad Account, and Pixel, then click Connect Facebook Pixel to finish the link. Click Complete Setup to finish the onboarding flow. Click Go to Dashboard once the setup is complete. Visit your shop and add a product to the cart so AnyTrack can track the purchase flow. Click View Cart to review the item you added. Click Proceed to Checkout to trigger checkout tracking. Now return to the AnyTrack dashboard and open the Integrations page. Open the WooCommerce integration settings. Click the Event Log tab to review tracked activity. Open each event to inspect the raw tracking data. Next, go to Tracking Pixels. Open the Facebook Pixel settings. Enable the Conversion API. To avoid duplicates, disable any other plugin that also sends Facebook Pixel events. Once everything is connected, open your campaign report to review performance and compare attribution results. Choose first click or last click attribution to change how results are calculated. Watch the results and revenue update in real time.